Greetings, friends. You're probably wondering where I am. Well, my friends, I'm currently right outside this castle over here. Now, the king is on vacation, which is going to make this a lot easier. But you see, there are two guards over there named Edward and Tony, and I kind of need them to be a bit less alive. Luckily for me, I know a bit of code. So, let's put a script into server script service. So first, we want to make a variable. So you start a variable by putting local. I don't know why, you just do. Maybe I'll make a video explaining why you start with local, but I do not know. Then you want to give your variable a name. So let's call ours humanoid. Then we want to be precise about what our variable is. So you want to put game.workspace.Tony, because that's the person we're targeting, but not just Tony. Tony's humanoid. Humanoids control health, to how high you can jump. It controls all. It basically makes them an NPC. Then we want to set a variable for Edward. So local humanoid 2 equals game.workspace.Edward.humanoid. Now let's put a wait command. I think we should give them a good, 3 seconds to say goodbye to their loved ones. I'm sure they can do it within 3 seconds. Then, we want to put humanoid, colon, which allows us to do a command, and then take damage. So let's just kill them. And let's do the same for Edward. Now let's see what happens. Let's see if this works. Alright, so now they're dead, but we still need to get through this wall, and I know just the thing to help us. So first, let's make another script. Technically you can do it in the other script we have, but let's just keep it a bit organized. So you want to set a variable, local, door, equals game.workspace.union. Now normally, if you have more than one union, you have to change its name so you can pinpoint which union you want. Either through the Explorer tab or the Properties tab. But we only have one union in the workspace, so we don't have to worry about that. Then it's as simple as putting door, colon, destroy. But I kind of want to see the door being destroyed before I load in. So let's put a wait command, and let's wait a good 3 seconds. Sweet, we're in. But the thing is, I don't want to murder people. I don't want to murder people anymore. It was enough murdering Tony and Edward. I don't want to murder any more people today. So let's just scare her away, because Lisa here is afraid of bricks. It's that simple, we just have to summon a brick. But we need to make sure it's in a specific place she can see it. How are we going to do that? I know. So right now we're going to set another variable. We're going to call this variable part. And we're going to use this new command called instance.new. Now that we have the part, we want to make sure we put it in a specific spot so Lisa can see it and be scared of it. So we're gonna put part dot position equals Vector3 dot new parentheses So I found some coordinates of where Lisa's going to find it, and so these are the coordinates. Then we want to make sure the part is put into the workspace. So part.parent equals game.workspace. But you see, Lisa's the type that gets petrified whenever they're scared. And so, for the sake of both of us, me, because I need to get her out of the way, and her, so she doesn't have to look at the part anymore, we're gonna force her to move. So we want to set another variable, local, humanoid, equals, game.workspace.lisa.humanoid. Then we want to use this new command called MoveTo. Then we want to give her the coordinates that she's going to move to. So for the sake of simplicity, let's move her to 0, 0, 0. And let's give her a moment to register what just happened. Oh, almost forgot. We need to add parentheses over there. And then we want to put the class of the object. So in this case, it's going to be a part. And before we go, we also need to fix this, because this is a common mistake, at least for me. We need to make sure it's a Vector3 coordinate before we put these numbers over here in their own parentheses. Now that Lisa is gone, we can use the same command as we did to destroy the front door, to destroy this door, to enter the king's room. My friends, we have made it into the king's throne room. Look at all this money. This doesn't do anything, it's just a click detector. I haven't programmed it. But hey, if this proves to be popular enough, I might do a part 2. And, you know, there's a whole lot more castle to discover. And they even plan on making renovations soon. So, we'll see how popular this video gets. Goodbye.